Welcome to Endless Learning Training Series, the membrane-based desalination technology.
In this presentation we will study: what is an instrument plot plan? Why do we need an instrument plot plan? What information is present in an instrument plot plan? What is an instrument plot plan? An instrument plot plan is a key engineering document in instrumentation and control design, showing the physical locations of instruments, junction boxes, control panels, and instrument-related equipment within a facility. What information is present in an instrument plot plan? General plant layout information, site boundaries and plant areas, major equipment, pumps, vessels, tanks, pipelines. Instrument locations: field instruments, pressure, temperature, flow, level transmitters. Analyzers, pH, conductivity, turbidity, gas detectors. Control valves and actuators. Local indicators and gauges. Junction boxes and control panels. Junction box, JB, locations for instrument signal termination. Local control panels, LCPs, and remote instrument enclosures, RIEs. Equipment, junction boxes and control panels. Elevation of equipment, junction boxes and control panels. For example, transmitter elevation level L+1000. Why do we need an instrument plot plan? Facilitates installation, helps site engineers and technicians install instruments correctly. Optimizes routing, ensures efficient cable routing and minimizes material costs. Improves maintenance and safety, ensures instruments are placed in accessible and safe locations. Supports other disciplines, assists civil, electrical, and process teams in coordination.
Thank you for watching this video.